It's a very enduring experience which I have had. And believe me, I should not claim this, but I am the biggest learner because I have been intensely listening to all the papers. I have read all the papers. So, you see, there have been issues and challenges which have been discussed in all the forms for several areas: infrastructure, education, health, and so on, managerial issues, financial issues, regulatory issues, and so on. And starting from the day one, for example, I remember Mr. Jayesh Ranjan. He actually talked about so many practical aspects on, because he's been involved in 18 of the projects, as he said, and he highlighted so many practical aspects on how things have been and how things should go, how things should work, largely. Highlighted the aspects of how strong case of arbitrators lie in that. He says that regulators should have arbitrators as well. Groundwork should be completed beforehand. Some escort and hand-holding services should be there. And then he gave a very pertinent point on that consulting firms should be brought up. They should be, their capacity should be enhanced as far as PPP things are concerned, because consultants are not so capable, and they become the joining kind of link between two parties. Then the secretary also highlighted several points, Ms. Sidhu, on auditing and accounting and accountability of the aspects. Professor Nevenka, she talked about financial crisis and PPP, and gave a very pertinent detail on how PPPs are associated with financial crisis, and she referred to VFM test, that how it works and how things go on. Then came in Mr. Janvan, and he gave pertinent aspects of inevitable corruption as far as PPP things and PPP models are concerned. Just a while ago, we were discussing this together, and he said that somehow if people do not intentionally do it, it comes up because so many things are there, and he was sharing instances with me. So, he said that standards are to be made and standards are to be brought in. And he mentioned that governments are not so used to transparency. Then that is a very important point, that how transparency has to be brought in. Martin Sobek, he gave a very detailed account of how things worked in one of the case studies, and he gave a new perspective on that. For example, this new technology was used in that project to make it sustainable in long term. And he also referred to transparency, how things can be done. And then David Palchik was there. He referred to as rethinking energy and how that perspective can be brought to fore, basically. Then Professor Raghuram, he gave so many aspects on as a chair also, and then in his paper, he referred to ports and so on. Professor Suresh Moni, he talked about control systems, management control systems, how accountability can be brought in. And that session was very interesting, on wherein people talked about, bringing in media and social media on developing transparency and accountability. And, and then there were aspects covered on several of the infrastructural aspects. Professor Jayakumar, she referred to as, Indian PPP conditions, if at all, exist to attract private players, how things can be brought. Then Swati brought in land acquisition aspects. Mr. Jagannath Reddy, he gave, PPP in transportation. So, a lot of things have been covered. Today we have seen an education session wherein so many concerns have been shared in primary education, secondary education, higher education, and then financial aspects of PPP and so on.